For the repair of Rexroth pneumatic valves, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use some pressured air. At first, we use the valve in position 1, and we can see that the first output is 7 bar. Then, we use the valve in the second position, and we can see that both of the outputs are 7 bar. Lastly, we use the valve in third position, and we can see that the second output is 7 bar. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. The same process repeated for the second valve. It is now clear that Rexroth pneumatic valves are working successfully and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.